Hey everyone, welcome back. Now listen, if you've ever wished that cleaning your home could be as simple as pressing a button and watching the magic happen while you sip your coffee, or let us be honest, your third coffee of the day, you're in the right place. And before we dive in, remember, you can check out the full article with even more details in the description and in the very first comment. Don't miss it, because that's where I've packed all the nerdy specs, hacks, and insider tips for you. So today, we're talking about the Mova V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop. Yes, that's a mouthful, but so are the crumbs under your dining table right now. Trust me, this isn't just another robo-vac. This is a self-cleaning, self-emptying, warm water mopping, pet hair destroying, obstacle-overcoming beast with 24,000 K of suction power. And I know that sounds technical, but let S translate. That S basically the difference between whispering, "Please pick up the dirt," and commanding all the dirt now. Now, why should you care? Because let's face it, we're all juggling too much. Kids, pets, careers, Netflix marathons. We don't want to spend hours vacuuming, mopping, and dodging Lego traps on the floor. What we want is a home that stays clean with as little effort as possible. And that's where this little black beauty comes in. First impressions? The unboxing already screams premium. Inside, you don't just get the robot. You get extra side brushes, mop pads, filters, dust bags, a cleaning solution, and even a pet deodorizer. It's like Christmas morning, but instead of socks, you get accessories that actually save you from buying replacements too soon. And yes, we all know that companies usually love to nickel and dime us with extras. Not here. Setup is a dream. The Mova V50 Ultra connected to Wi-Fi in minutes and even asked for a firmware update right away. That's the kind of relationship we want with tech. Smart, proactive, and always improving. Once it maps your house, the fun begins. I live in a multi-floor home, and while it can't climb stairs like Spider-Man, it absolutely nailed mapping each floor with precision. We just placed it in different zones, and it remembered everything. Now, let's talk navigation. This robot doesn't just bump around like an old Roomba on roller skates. No, it glides around furniture, scoots under low-clearance pieces, and gets shockingly close to edges without ever tumbling down the stairs. Around dog bowls? No problem. Chair legs? It literally pirouettes in tight circles. It feels less like a machine and more like a very disciplined cleaning butler. And the suction power? Wow. 24,000 PA isn't just a number. It's performance you can hear. When it hits rugs, you can literally hear it ramp up, pulling out dirt and pet hair you didn't even know was there. We tested it on shag rugs, and honestly, I was bracing for disaster. But nope, no tangles, no jams, just smooth, steady cleaning. And despite all that muscle, it's surprisingly quiet. My parents' Shih Tzu didn't even flinch. My kids, they didn't even notice. And if you're a parent, you know that's a miracle. Now, let's geek out a little. The DuoSolution system with warm water mopping is genius. Instead of dragging a dirty mop across your floors like some other robots, this one keeps cleaning itself at the dock, then comes back to remop, so it never spreads dirt around. At the end, it politely notifies you to refill the clean water tank and empty the dirty one. It's basically cleaner than most teenagers' bedrooms. Okay, definitely cleaner. And because I know you're wondering, yes, it handles pets brilliantly. Pet hair compaction, deodorizing, smart navigation around water bowls and sleeping dogs. It's like this robot studied pet psychology. And speaking of psychology, here's a neuromarketing truth. What makes us love a product isn't just how well it works, but how stress-free it makes us feel. And let me tell you, waking up to a spotless floor without lifting a finger is pure mental relief. It's not just clean, it's calm. Of course, no product is perfect. On one of our dense wool carpets, the dual brushes pulled out fibers, creating little cotton balls. Not ideal, but we just excluded that carpet from cleaning zones. Also, the app could use a little polishing in its English translations. Sometimes cleanup paused actually means still cleaning. A minor hiccup, not a deal breaker. Here's the kicker, the Mova V50 Ultra comes with a 3-year warranty. That's almost unheard of in the robot vacuum world, where 1 or 2 years is the norm. It tells me the brand actually trusts its own product. Combine that with the accessories included and you're looking at long-term value, not just a short-term gadget. So who is this for? Busy families, pet parents, anyone with messy kids, or honestly, anyone who just wants to stop vacuuming and mopping forever. Whether it's mud, sand, pet hair, food stains, or the dreaded Lego minefield, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete doesn't just clean, it gives you back your time. And if there's one thing we can't buy more of, it's time. All right, friends, let me wrap this up. If you're tired of chores running your life, this little powerhouse might just be the smartest investment you make this year. Check the description and first comment for the full article with all the details, pro tips, and the best buying options. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because let's be honest, everyone deserves floors this clean without breaking a sweat.